Hi everyone, my name is Emily from the Whitestown unit, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own cloth mask. The materials you'll need are scissors, needles, cloth, a marker, thread, a ruler, elastic, and pins to hold your cloth in place. Okay. First step is to get your cloth. You're going to need 2 pieces that are 10 by 6. So we're going to measure 10. 6. And once you have your measurements, you're going to cut. Next step, you're going to want to fold the edge over. Start sewing along the edge. You're going to grab your string, fold it over, and tie a knot at the end. Then you're going to take this and put it through one of the holes. Now take your mask and secure it behind both your ears. And there you have it! Now you have a mask. Make sure to share your mask on our Facebook page, BGC Boone. Stay safe!